What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out the channel, watching the video. Today we're going to look at something, of course I found it on social media, but anyway, it's called Clix Auto, C-L-I-X Auto. And what it is a diffuser for your car. You know I love these smelly things that smell good, especially like eucalyptus. That's my stuff. That's my bomb. Anyway, so this has a eucalyptus thing that goes in your car, and it's a diffuser, and it'll sense when you get in your car, and it'll diffuse for a few seconds, make your car smell magical. So anyway, my Clix Auto came in today, and I thought, well, let's review it so you guys can see it. So anyway, the package came in. I've cut the package open, so let's open the package and see what it's all about. All right, guys, so here's the package, and it came from Autotex in Stanford, Florida. It took about a week to get here, I'd say. And let's see what's in here. Here's your box of oil pods, aroma pods. And this is the little doohickey that it fits in. No clue what that is. Oh, you can stick it. Okay, yeah, we're not going to be doing that. So it does have a clip that can go in your vents, which I like. We may end up sticking this to something because it is small. So you'd glue it and stick it like that. The pod goes in there. And it's rechargeable. So let's open this and see what the pods are like. Now I did see a lot of comments online that that people had pods that were leaking. Well, none of mine are leaking. They're all 100% full. That's what the pod looks like, and it says eucalyptus. So we'll put this into charge. Let's see if it's got directions on anything. It's oils. Ooh, I can smell it already. Oils extracted from natural plants, aromatherapy, blah, blah, blah. Pods last up to 30 days. Now, does that mean that all of these last 30 days or this last 30 days? I'm hoping this last 30 days. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and plug this big boy in, and we'll let it charge and see how it goes from there. We'll put it in the car. All right, so let's talk about what kind of smells they have. They have a bunch of smells. I got the eucalyptus, but they have, first of all, they have two variety packs, which has a little bit of several different things in it. They have one called apple, which smells like apple. It also says it's kind of woodsy, which sounds interesting. There's one called cocoa, which is orange and jasmine. There is eucalyptus, which is mine, which is kind of it almost smells like tea. It's like a eucalyptus tea. There's a green bamboo, which smells of hyacinth, jasmine, bamboo, and rose. The green tea, which I guess smells like green tea. Lavender, lemongrass, which is, as they described, as lemony and grassy, which I thought was kind of funny. Omega. Omega is described as soapy with white floral and linens. There's orange, which is orange and cashmere woods, which I don't know what the smell of cashmere woods is, but orchid, patchouli. I like their comment on patchouli because they said patchouli is either a kind of a love or hate thing. You love it or you hate it. I love patchouli, but a lot of people really hate patchouli. My mother always said it smelled like burning plastic, but I liked it. There's rain, which smells like dew, what that smells like. White florals and watery smells. There's sandalwood. There's one called Santorini, which is bergamot and verbena and oranges and stuff like that. And there's another one which is tea garden, which sounds really cool. It's lemon and cedar. So anyway, you can choose your smell. You can choose a variety pack. Like I said, I chose eucalyptus. Okay, guys, so I charged this for about 3 hours. So 3 hours, it says, gives about 72 hours of spray time. So I've opted. Now, it does come with a sticker, so you could mount it directly on the dash or wherever you want to. They had it down on the side, kind of. I'm not going to go that route because I don't know that I'll love it or not. So I'm going to use the vent clip, which is like this. And you just slide it in. Is it like that or like that? No, I think it was like that. Slides in like that. So that's what we're going to do. Now, the way this thing works, so we take one of our little vials, and we're going to pop the plastic. It smells good, y'all. It smells really good. You unscrew, it's gonna be like just like a normal diffuser. You take the little top part like this, it comes off. This goes right inside. You're gonna take the lid off. It smells really good. Then this little boy fits right on top of that. Allegedly. Am I doing this wrong? Nope. Oh wait, you gotta screw it in. The directions are not really clear. Yeah, it's got screws on the bottom, so we will screw that in. That makes sense. Then that drops onto that. Then we're going to, I assume, nowhere does it tell me how to do this. We're going to push the button and hold it. How cool is that? It smells really good. So we're going to put that right here. It has a motion sensor, so it'll spray every so often. It'll let that smell out. Only while you're in the car. So if you're out of the car, it's not going to spray endlessly. But as long as you're in here every so often, it's going to squirt out some smell. And I do have to say it smells really good. So I'm impressed. So I'm going to play with it this week and try it. And we'll see how it goes. So this is a close-up of what it looks like. Right there. And there's the little button that says go. And I guess somewhere in this device there's a sensor that reads that you're in the car. And then the diffuser smell comes out of the top like that. So we're going to try it for a week and I will let you all know. All right, guys, this is me sneaking up on the device. Open up the truck, look inside. It's already senses me and it's letting off the smells for a few minutes and then it stops. So the price of this thing. How much did I pay for it? If you go online, you can buy the kit with a pack of 6 vials for $29 flat. Or you can subscribe for $19. That every 3 months you're going to refill of the vials. So as I had shown, I used about 1/3 of a vial in a week. So that's plenty of smells. So, I mean, that's not going to be a problem. So, and you can also switch up the smells if you don't want this one. You've only got 3 months of eucalyptus and then switch to rain, you can do that. So, all right, guys, I wanted to look and see how much I've used in a week. So there you go. That's what I've used in a week, which is about 1/3 of it. About 1/3 of the bottle I've used in a week. Now, and I travel to and from work, which is probably 15 minutes or so a trip, and then a few runs and errands across town. So I've used about 1/3 of it. So if you use 1/3, it takes 1 vial will last about 3 weeks. So the 6-pack will definitely last 3 months. With everything said, the smell is great. I like the way it smells, like makes my car smell. It doesn't smell fake and like perfumey. It's just a natural, clean smell. $19 every 3 months. That's a really good price, I think, for this, for the smell. And I'm going to have more than enough fragrance to last those 3 months out of the 6-pack. So what's my bottom line on this? I like it. I think it's a good deal. Again, remember, we were not reimbursed by these folks. I saw this on, I want to say it's Facebook, I'm pretty sure. It's one of the social media sites. I saw the link and I was like, I'm going to order it, try it, so you guys can see what it's all about. It's Clix Aroma. They also make windshield wipers and stuff like that, but I don't need that. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. I like it. We liked it so much. In fact, Mike ordered him one for his car, and he got the smell of rain, I think is what he chose. We have different preferences. My next smell is going to be tea garden, I think. Tea and cypress and cedar, yeah. Or it could be patchouli. So I'm going to give it a thumbs up. I like it. I think it was a good deal. $19 every 3 months. That's cheaper than buying good air fresheners for your car. And plus you don't have to hang anything from your rearview mirror, which I really loathe. I can't stand stuff swinging in front of my eyes. So guys, I hope it's helped you guys. If you like it, if you do buy one and try it, let me know. I'm going to put a link down below. I don't have any coupons or anything like that to give you on this. It's just a general trying something out. Again, we bought this. We weren't reimbursed, so it's an honest opinion. Other than that, you guys have a great week out there. Be safe, but above all, be nice to each other.